Smoothies are the best way to combine different fruits and have a refreshing taste with friends and loved ones. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making a rich creamy banana smoothie using just few items. I'll be using 3 ripe banana. I'll just peel it and add it into the blender. I'll also add some chopped apple, but you can choose to add other fruits like kiwi, strawberry, blackcurrant, orange, or any fruit of your choice. I'll also add a plain yogurt, but you can choose to add a Greek yogurt or milk. But if you don't want a dairy product, you can simply just add water. I'll add some ice cubes, then cover and blend properly. Guys, this fruit combination have magical health benefits. They help the body to feel fuller throughout the day, they aid in digestion process, and they also help the muscle to recover after an exercise. You can choose to have it in the morning after a workout, or probably in the evening. Guys, look at this rich creamy banana smoothie. Try and make some for your family today. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Like, share, and leave a comment down below on which smoothie is your best smoothie. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.